going on, team? In today's video, we're going to be trying to find and film pileated woodpeckers. So we've come up to the side of this mountain here in the woods, and I know that there's some in this area. It's going to be a bit of a difficult challenge though, because I believe that pileated woodpeckers actually just are usually in pairs, and then they'll have quite a large territory. And so there's probably two in this area because I found a bit of evidence of them, which I'll show you guys in a bit. But yeah, that's the goal for the day, and hopefully we have some success. If not, we might have to come back another time. So let's see how we do. Just found a tree that here, I'll show you. Here, take a look. Just put the camera down here, but this is all pileated woodpecker evidence. It's a huge dead tree. I don't know if you can see like that, but they take so much out of trees sometimes, dead trees, that they can actually cause the tree to fall over. As you can see, this tree leaning a significant amount and it's fallen into the other tree. But what they're doing here is pileated's primary diet is actually ants, and so they're trying to burrow their way into the tree into a dead tree to find ant homes or tunnels. They're also going to eat grubs and insects, but most pileated woodpeckers' diets consist of at least 40 to 50% ants, so that's mostly what they're going after there. But other insects and grubs as well. They can also forage for berries, so that's another interesting spot. This is definitely an area where a pair is living, and so I just got to find them. Team, it's been really quiet in the woods here. Been here for a couple hours now and haven't seen anything, so we're gonna move locations. We're gonna try a different spot for the afternoon. The clouds have cleared up a bit and the sun's come out, but this is kind of it's a north facing, so there's not a lot of sun on this side, so we're not taking advantage of that really being here. And since it's been so quiet, we thought, why not, let's go try a new spot. So see you there. The one just approaching the area here, so I'm gonna keep you posted, but I'm gonna be quiet. So I don't know if you can hear that, but it's so close. Oh, and it looks like it's a hairy woodpecker, not a pileated, but it's at this really difficult angle, so I can't shoot through. But this is awesome. Super close to it. Oh, that was awesome. We have to get down low like this so we can get that angle up and also have the camera steady, because I was trying to hand hold it, but it was pretty hard at 600 millimeters, so I put it on the ground, got it up on a nice angle, and was able to get through to it. That's awesome. Super stoked. So those are hairy woodpeckers. They're a little bit smaller. Resemble a downy woodpecker quite a lot. They travel in little small groups. So there was actually two there. So still no pileated, but stoked on that. Really happy about it. And yeah, let's keep going. It's just up here on the left. So excited. I'm gonna have to get into a little prone position and sneak up, but I think we're gonna be able to get pretty close. All right, team. It's been a great day, and I think I'm gonna head out here. It's just getting into the actually really nice golden hour, so I'm gonna go try and photograph some geese. But yeah, today went really well, and stoked on it. Hopefully gonna be making some more videos like this in the future. Talk to you later.